This is our control, about 1 centimeter apart, thin wire, nothing on the wires. For this test, I moved the bases of the wires to 1.5 centimeters. There really doesn't seem to be that much of a difference in the spark. The space between the bottom of the wires is now only a little over half of a centimeter, about 0.6 centimeters. And the spark travels pretty much the same way as all the others. So apparently spacing at the bottom of the electrodes doesn't really affect the vividity of the arc. Okay, we will now be testing the effect that different substances have on the wires. Right now there's nothing on them, and we're gonna plug it in to see what it looks like so we can compare. Cool. Now I'm going to take some salt water, because we know that salt water is extremely conductive, and I'm going to coat the wires in it. According to our research, this should give it a nice fiery effect, bright orange. But we don't know for sure what will happen, and that's why we're doing this experiment. The arc is definitely a bright orange, although you can't really tell that well on the video camera, which is why I'll be providing still photos along with this recording. I will now coat the wires in vinegar, because vinegar is acidic, right? Acidic, and may make a cool color. Also, I had it in my cabinet, so that's what we're going to do. No, we've never seen anyone try to put vinegar on it before, so we really don't know what's going to happen here. But we figured we should test it, just to be cool. It doesn't seem like the vinegar did anything. This wire is much thicker, as you can see. Again, it requires a smaller space between the bases of the wire, we just noticed. And it sometimes gets stuck like it's doing now. So we're going to conclude that the thinner wire is better at keeping the spark going. This is the very thin wire, and as you can see, it works so well, and it's so versatile that we want to. We could probably make it go around in a circle if we worked with it a lot. So far, out of everything we've tested, this extremely thin wire has worked the best. It's all the same kind of copper wire, just the gauges are different. So we are going to conclude that the thinner the wire you use, the easiest it is to work with, and the best it holds the arc.
Phenomena. Phenomena. Phenomena.